Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Forester window motor. A failing window motor can cause your window to move slowly, make grinding noises, or stop working entirely. Before starting, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, 10mm and 12mm sockets, and a ratchet. Of course, have your new window motor and regulator assembly ready to install. First, we need to access the motor by removing the door panel. Begin by locating and removing any hidden screws, often behind small trim covers in the door handle or armrest. Next, gently pry up the window switch panel, disconnect its electrical harnesses, and set it aside. Then, using a trim removal tool, carefully pop out the clips around the perimeter of the door panel. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door. With the door panel off, secure the window glass in the up position using strong tape or clamps to prevent it from falling. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the old window motor. Now, carefully unbolt the entire window motor and regulator assembly from the door frame. There are typically several 10mm and 12mm bolts holding it in place. Once removed, install your new motor and regulator assembly, ensuring all mounting points align correctly. After installing the new assembly, reconnect the window motor's electrical connector. Before fully reassembling, temporarily connect the window switch and test the window's up and down functionality to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, reattach the door panel by aligning the clips and pressing firmly. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Finally, perform a full test of the window to confirm smooth and complete operation, ensuring your repair is successful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.